Today is the last day of our research unit. We're going to take today to make final edits to our reports to get it ready to share with an audience. Editing and revising are different. Editing means fixing up grammar and spelling errors. Revising is fixing up organization and missing parts. This is an editing checklist. It is like the description checklist, but it has the types of errors we would expect fourth graders to be able to fix. I'm going to read through my draft for each of these errors. Once I have checked for these errors and fixed them, I can put a check on my checklist. The first section of the editing checklist is capitalization. I capitalized the first word in each sentence. I did. Check mark there. I capitalized the pronoun I. I did. I used the word I in the conclusion. I capitalized product names and holidays. I didn't have any of those, so I'm going to leave that blank. I capitalized appropriate words in titles. I didn't have any titles, so I don't have to worry about that. I capitalized the first word in sentences and dates. I sure did. Got that. The next section of our editing checklist is punctuation. I used commas and quotation marks to direct speech and quotations from a text. That didn't apply to us today, so I will not put anything there. I used a comma before a coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence. Yes, I did, so got that. I used end punctuation for sentences, commas in greetings, and closing of a letter, dates, and series. I did use it at the end of my sentences, so got it. I used apostrophes for contractions and to show ownership. That didn't apply to us today, so I'll leave that blank. The last section on our editing checklist is spelling. I spelled words appropriate to my grade level correctly. Yes, I did, so I put a check mark there that I got it. At this time, please submit your final paper in Canvas.